Hi, welcome to Teach Bridge Competitive Bidding Lesson 4 Takeout Doubles. A student who has only learnt opener and responder and now has overcalls as well will not understand to use a double. First of all, the term double is foreign to them, and the look of a cross when they're putting it on the bidding pad is unusual for them. But mainly, we've taught students about bidding suits. Up until now, we haven't told students to use this peculiar word double. So it really needs explanation. And explain that it is the other part of the way to come into the auction when one person, the opponent, has opened the bidding. And if you explain that overcalls are saying, I know where I want to play partner, then a double is the opposite. A double is an opening hand with the right shape that would make you think it's a good idea to enter the auction. And what you're saying is, partner, I don't know where to play the hand. I need to hear what's in your hand before we know which suit to play. So requirements for a takeout double are an opening hand, usually not a long suit, shortage in the suit opened, and the ability to support the other three suits. Partner will take their own action after they hear a double. But as usual, you need to explain to them that a takeout double is not meant for penalties. So try to show them the difference between penalty doubles and takeout doubles. And at this stage of their bridge, if you just explain that most doubles at a low level are meant for partner to take out. They are not meant to try to increase the score because you think the opponents won't make their contract. Go very easy when you're explaining the concept of doubles, but I think an overcall says, I know where I want to play, and a double says, I don't know. Please tell me, partner.